Hi, I'm Patricia. Welcome to Patricia's Cuisine. Today I'm going to make chicken breast with beer sauce. And here we have the ingredients. In a saucepan with extra virgin olive oil and the butter, pour the garlic and the onion and cook for 5 minutes. Add salt and black pepper to taste. After 5 or 7 minutes, add the diced tomatoes. Remove everything together and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Then add the chicken breast and add as well salt and black pepper. Remove everything and cook for 7 or 8 minutes. Add the flour and remove continuously for 1 minute. With the flour, the sauce will thicken a little bit. Pour the mushrooms and the salt and mix everything. Add as well the parsley and the saffron. When all the ingredients are well combined, pour the beer and let it come to a boil. When it's boiling, reduce the heat at medium, and if you want, add a little bit of chicken broth, but this is optional. And now let it cook for 30 or 40 minutes or until the liquid has reduced a little bit. And this complete dish is done. Another suggestion for your Christmas table. I hope you like it.